find x. I need to be able to find x. And if I look at this carefully, I have a triangle here, but I cannot find x because I don't know the measurement of any other side. So therefore, I need to be able to, if I have my other triangle in here, but right now we'll only work with right triangles, so that's not going to help. So I need to be able to work with two triangles. Your first triangle will be the smaller triangle. That's right here. Your other triangle will be this larger triangle. And we're going to be using those two angles that they provided for us. And now we have two right triangles. Remember, we've only worked with right triangles up to now. I'm going to be standing here on the location, and I'm going to go ahead and create an equation for the first one. Now, I need to be able to label this as something. So we're going to call this y. I'm going to go ahead and create an equation, and according to where I'm standing, this will be my opposite according to the 42 degrees, and this will be my adjacent. Opposite of adjacent, I need to be able to use tangent. So the tangent of 42 degrees is equal to your opposite, which is x, over your adjacent, which is y. Now my other equation will be the larger triangle. So once again, I'm standing at the angle that's provided. This will be your opposite, and your adjacent will be your 12 and your y, the entire side. So therefore it will be 12 plus y, or y plus 12. So therefore, opposite and adjacent, once again, and my tangent of 25 degrees in this case is equal to your opposite, which is x, over your adjacent, which is 12 plus y, or y plus 12. I have two variables, and I have two equations, so I should be able to solve it. You can decide whether you want to solve for x or for y, and then we can place them on each other. We can also use substitution if we want. But it works better if we solve for x and then just make them equal to each other. So in this case, I'm going to place over 1 and I'm going to cross multiply. It gives me x is equal to y multiplied by the tangent of 42 degrees. I'm going to cross multiply once again, place over 1 and cross multiply. So it gives me x is equal to y plus 12 multiplied by the tangent of 25 degrees. I must set them equal to each other. So therefore, since they both are equal to x, that means that they both have to be equal to each other. We have y, the tangent of 42 degrees, is equal to y plus 12 multiplied by the tangent of 25 degrees. From here, I notice I have y on both sides, and this y is being tied down by the parentheses. So we're going to multiply it out. Y tangent of 42 degrees is equal to y multiplied by the tangent of 25 degrees plus 12 tangent of 25 degrees. So I multiply the y and the 12 times the tangent of 25. We have y's on both sides, and I need to solve for y. So I'm going to place my y's on the left hand side. I'm going to move this term to the left. It's a positive, becomes a negative. Or you can subtract it on both sides. Either way will work. Minus y tangent of 25 degrees is equal to 12 tangent of 25 degrees. I have y's on the left hand side, and I have two y's. So therefore, I can factor out the y from them both. And that gives me tangent 42 degrees. I'm going to factor out y, so it gives me minus the tangent of 25 degrees is equal to 12 times the tangent of 25 degrees. The y, and this is multiplying, so therefore I'm going to divide by the tangent of 25. 42 minus the tangent of 25 on both sides. The tangent of 42 degrees minus the tangent of 25 degrees. Tangent of 42 degrees minus the tangent of 25 degrees. This will cancel. So therefore, y is equal to this right here. And what's nice is that I can just type everything into the calculator. You want to be able to leave your chance in there because you get more exact answer. And I want to use my fraction bar, makes it a little bit easier. And we have 12 multiplied by the tangent of 25 degrees, close your parentheses, over the tangent of 42 minus the tangent of 25. And that gives me 12.9. So 12.9. Now remember, this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for x. But once you have your y, you can go ahead and plug this in here. And you can just type into the calculator. What's great, we just need to multiply by tangent of 42. What's great is we have our answers in here. So I can just multiply by the tangent of 42 degrees, close your parenthesis, and you got a pretty exact answer, 11.6 in this case. So x is equal to 11.6. Of course, if you want, you can also plug in the y in here, and you should get exactly the same answer.